my god, guys. I got this package. We are going to open it together. Okay, I think I know what this is. EVA foam. I think this is enough to make the entire secret cosplay that I've been hiding from you. Cosplay. I forgot. Cosplay knife. Let's just say it. Okay, I forgot the name. Cardboard box cutter. Yeah, cosplay box cutter. This looks amazing. I love it. Ah, this is a very amazing secret cosplay for almost a year. It's hot, but still. Perfect size! Perfect size, yo! So yeah, I think I completed the cosplay, but the mask. And I think that should be everything. Now, there's a star man waiting in the sky. Holy hell, I actually got it. I hope I can cosplay as him. Jink. He is coming.